In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to graph a linear inequality using the application on your calculator. So we're going to go to the button Applications, and we're going to search for the application that is Inequals. So mine is number 7 here. I'm going to press Enter, and then I'm going to press Enter again, and it'll bring me up to my y equals screen. So there are two ways to do this. So some calculators will do this one way, and some will do it another way. So I'm going to go through the way that I see it here first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my right arrow key over so it highlights my Y1. And I'm going to go ahead and press Enter. This is where you can actually change the color. If you have a colored calculator, you can change it to whatever color that you like. And then we're going to move down to where it says Y, and we're going to make the equal sign the proper inequality symbol that we want. So let's go ahead and move the directional arrow keys to figure out which inequality we want to use. So for my linear inequality, I'm going to use the greater than symbol. Once you're there, you're going to go ahead and move your cursor down to OK and press Enter. Now you've changed your symbol. So let's go ahead and now type in the actual inequality. So I'm going to move my right arrow key over, and I'm going to go ahead and type in 2/5 x plus 1. All right, now that we're all set, let's go ahead and press Graph, and you can see that it graphed our linear inequality. You'll also notice by the picture here that this is represented with a dotted line, which is the appropriate symbol that we used. And if that symbol had a line underneath, so if it was either greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, it would have been a solid line. Now, I do want to review one thing with you. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to y equals. Sometimes, if the calculator is, fairly older, it might have a little bit of a different function. So what it would look like is when you come up to this screen, you will have 5 little buttons right here at the bottom, and it'll actually be your different symbols. So your greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. And in order to change this, you'll have to highlight your equal sign, and you're going to press the alpha button, which is your green button, and then you're going to click one of the buttons up at the top that corresponds to the appropriate symbol that you want to use. So you would press alpha, and then you'd press the window button, or alpha trace. And what that will do is it'll change your symbol from equal sign to whichever one you selected.